In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your camera not working in Google Meet. We've all encountered that frustrating moment when you join a video call only to find that your camera just doesn't want to cooperate. But don't worry, I'm here to help you sort it out quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. If you haven't signed in yet, look for and click on the Sign In option. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure you select the correct account you wish to use for your meeting, particularly the one linked to your Google Meet sessions. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Carefully type in your password and then click on Next. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll see an option to start a new meeting. Click on New Meeting to get things rolling. You'll then have a few choices, but for the purpose of getting your camera up and running, we're going to click on Start an Instant Meeting. This action opens up a new meeting window, and you should be able to see a preview of your camera screen. However, if your camera isn't working and you're left staring at a blank screen, let's take a deeper look into the settings of your browser. Locate the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of your browser. Clicking here opens a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select Settings. Once you're in the settings area, you can use the search bar and type in Site Settings. This will take you to the site-specific settings where you can configure permissions related to camera usage. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down to Find and click on Camera in the Permissions list. This page displays all the websites that have requested access to your camera. You'll need to locate Google Meet within this list. Once you find Google Meet, click on it and you'll see an option that says Camera. Click the drop-down list next to it and select Allow. This step ensures that Google Meet has the permission it requires to utilize your camera. By now, your camera should be working correctly. Head back to your Google Meet session and check to see if video feed is being displayed. If you follow these steps carefully, the problem should be resolved, allowing for seamless video communications in your meetings. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you're now ready to go back to joining your calls without any hitches. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any more queries, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.